Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you use Canva AI Video Generator. To do it so, you have to follow the simple steps. So here you want to first of all go ahead and open up a new project. For example, I'll go with this. When you open up the project when you open up the existing project, this is how it will look like. So next thing you want to do is here, when you open this application, you want to scroll down and go to apps. When you go to apps, on the search box, you want to type in Magic. When you type in Magic Media, you want to hit the enter button. Here it is. You want to go ahead and install this first of all. Now then, you could go ahead and see it. So you want to enter 5 words to describe and click on Inspire Me. Once you've actually done it, so you could go and click on Generate Images right at the bottom. It's going to take a while, but then you could go ahead and use the Canva AI videos. So over here, you could go ahead and explore all of these, whichever is convenient. You could just drag and drop just like that. And this way you'll be able to use Canva's AI generated videos. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.